Manual transit custom. And for the Starline S9 alarm system, with remote start, folding mirrors, rear protection, dual shock tilt and tow sensors, 3 times lock to remote start or direct from your app anywhere in the world. Mirrors fold out on engine start but not when remote starting for safety. They fold out when you open the driver's door. Visual LED, connected dash camera, which wakes up on any violation. This van has standard triple immobilization, passive immobilization, no tag, no pin, no drive, anti-hijack. For more info please call Elite Car Security on number below. Thanks for watching.